Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Advocate Africa, a place where we make AI simple, fun, and relevant for you. So let me ask you, have you ever used Google Assistant, ChatGPT, or any of these AI tools? Have you seen those AI generated artworks or even heard an AI generated Afrobeat song? Oh, if yes, congratulations. You have already experienced artificial intelligence. But what exactly is AI and how does it work? Today, we are breaking it down in a way that everyone can understand. So let's dive in. AI or artificial intelligence simply means machines that can think, learn, and make decisions like humans, but faster and more efficiently. It is like having a super smart assistant that can recognize Face ID, like your phone unlocking with your Face ID, or understand and talk to you like ChatGPT, or like Netflix, YouTube, Jumia, recommending things that you like to you in a perfect way. AI is all around us, even when we don't realize it. Okay, but how does AI actually works? Imagine you are teaching a small child to recognize a dog. You show them many pictures of dogs, and over time, they learn to tell the difference between a dog and a cat. The AI works the same way. It learns from data, millions of pictures, texts, voices, and experience, and then uses that knowledge to make smarter decisions. It is trained using something called machine learning, where computers learn patterns from data. And for even more advanced AI, we have deep learning, where AI mimic the human brain to become even more smarter like human. You might not realize it, but AI is already making life easier for us in Africa. Here are some of the examples. Banking and fintech. AI helps detect fraud and protect your money. Ever gotten a suspicious activities SMS from your bank? That is AI at work. How about in agriculture? AI helps farmers predict weather and improve crop production. Healthcare. AI is used to diagnose disease and recommend treatment. In the entertainment industry, AI is helping artists creating music, generate subtitles in movies, and even predict a next hit song. And get this, Nigeria is already home to some of the fastest growing AI startups. Is AI good or bad? I know what you are thinking. Will AI take our job? Will robots take over us? Well, AI is not here to replace humans. It is here to help us. Just like the internet did not replace jobs, but created new ones. AI will do even more better. But like any other powerful tools, AI needs to be used responsibly. That is why we also talk about AI ethics, privacy, and fairness. Because AI should work for us, not against us. And that is AI in a nutshell. Simple, powerful, and already changing the world. Now, I want to hear from you. What is the first AI tool you have ever used? ChatGPT, Google Translate, Gemini, Meta AI? Which of them? Your bounce chatbots? Drop it in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like this video if you learn anything new. Subscribe so that you don't miss out on the next episode. Share with other friends who is curious about AI. Once again, this is AI Advocate Africa, where AI meets clarity and innovation. See you in the next video.